What are your favorite Thanksgiving sides? Can you guess which ones made it to our top 5? Well, want to know more? We're going to reveal them right here, right now in a countdown format. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Thanksgiving sides. Coming in at number 5, we have the classic green bean casserole. This dish, with its creamy mushroom soup base, crunchy French fried onions and tender green beans, is a staple at any Thanksgiving table. It's the perfect blend of comfort and nostalgia, reminding us of the warmth of home and family gatherings. Swinging in, at number 4, we find the humble yet delicious sweet potato casserole. Now, this isn't your ordinary casserole, it's a delightful mix of sweet potatoes, brown sugar and butter, all topped with a layer of toasted marshmallows. One bite of this and you'll find yourself on a sweet, savory journey you won't soon forget. Rolling onto the scene at number 3, we have the iconic dinner rolls. Warm, fluffy and perfect for sopping up those delicious Thanksgiving gravy, these rolls are a must-have on any Thanksgiving table. They are the unsung heroes of the Thanksgiving feast, offering a simple yet satisfying bite every time. Making its grand entrance at number 2, we've got mashed potatoes. Creamy, buttery, and oh so comforting, mashed potatoes are the epitome of comfort food. Whether you like them smooth or chunky, with gravy or without, there's no denying the appeal of this classic dish. And finally, claiming the coveted spot at number 1, we have the one and only stuffing. This flavorful mix of bread, herbs and spices, often packed with a variety of vegetables and sometimes even sausage, is the soul of the Thanksgiving feast. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that complements the turkey and makes the meal complete. There you have it, folks. Our top 5 Thanksgiving sides: green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole, dinner rolls, mashed potatoes, and finally stuffing. Each one of these dishes brings something unique to the table, making Thanksgiving the special occasion that it is. So next time you're preparing for a Thanksgiving feast, consider adding these to your menu. You may find a new favorite, or at the very least you'll have a feast fit for a king. Remember, Thanksgiving is not just about the food, but about the love and gratitude we share with each other. So as you sit down to enjoy these delicious sides, don't forget to share a word of thanks with those around you. After all, that's what this holiday is all about.